there, Sandra from Create in Spain. My husband recently bought me some AirPods because I do use earbuds an awful lot, and he also likes to watch science fiction movies and have them rather loud while I'm still in the same room, and I don't like science fiction. So there's a certain amount of self-interest there. Anyway, he bought me some AirPods and he recommended that I get a case, protective case for them, because we have hard floors and it's so easy to just knock something off of a low table or to drop it if you get up suddenly and you forget that it's on your lap or something. So he said, best to get yourself a little protective case. So I had a look online and I found that Ztotop, the same people who make my iPad case, which I'm more than happy with, did a review on that quite a while ago. I'll put a link to it. They make the cases for the AirPod Pros too. So it comes in a little box, in a little plastic case, but because of the virus stuff these days, I just unboxed it in the kitchen, dumped the packaging and washed my hands. So it has a little plastic clip, so it is plastic, not a metal one, that you can slot onto the side there. And the lid is attached by this silicone piece here. It's all one piece, so it's not going anywhere. And you simply put your AirPods in there and close the lid. And then when you open them back up, ta-da! There we go. Now you can just about see the light through the silicone, but not easily. So you might possibly at some stage want to just pull that back and just have a look, see if your light is on or not. And the base of it has a little tab, which is to allow for charging. And you can just press that in and it stays nice and flat. I love the feel of this. It's velvety smooth silicone. It's just got a very pleasing feel to it. It will do exactly what it's supposed to do. It's going to protect my AirPods from scratching. And if I wanted to, I could hook that onto a belt or inside my handbag or something to take them outside with me. And so yes, it does what it says on the tin. Now, full disclosure, they did offer to send me this free of charge. And so I didn't actually pay for it, but it's only like €5 in the first place. And believe me, there's no way I'll give anything a positive review for €5. There's being cheap and there's being cheap, and that's not going to happen. Nobody can buy my reviews. If I review something and I like it, fine. If I review it and I don't like it, I'm going to tell you that as well, and I don't care. So yes, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. I can't see any problem with it whatsoever. It arrived relatively quickly considering we're getting fairly slow post these days. It still arrived within about 5 days. And, you know, it was one of the cheapest cases that I saw on Amazon. It does a job, so what's the problem? And I chose this colour. It does come in a multitude of different colours. I chose this one because it's the nearest colour to my iPad case and my iPhone. So yeah, there we go. That's it. If you're looking for a cover for your AirPods, look no further. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.